friends, you might have heard about Marian apparition. There are many apparitions taking place in the different parts of the world. Here, I introduce before you an apparition of Our Lady of Lavang, who appeared in the village of Hai Phuong, situated in southern Vietnam. Fearing the spread of Catholicism, the Can Tin Emperor restricted the practice of Catholicism in the country in 1798. Soon thereafter, the emperor issued an anti-Catholic edict and persecution ensued. As a result, many people sought refuge in the rainforest of Lavang in Vietnam, and many became very ill. While hiding in the jungle, the community gathered every night at the foot of a tree to pray the rosary. One night, an apparition surprised them. In the branches of the tree, a lady appeared, wearing the traditional Vietnamese áo dai dress and holding a child in her arms, with two angels besides. People present interpreted the vision as the Virgin Mary and infant Jesus Christ. They said that Our Lady comforted them and told them to boil leaves from the trees for medicine to cure the illness. Legend states that the term Lavang was a derivative of Vietnamese word meaning crying out. In 1802, the Catholics returned to their villages, passing on the story of the apparition in Lavang and its message. As the story of the apparition spreads, many came to pray at this site and to offer incense. In 1820, a chapel was built. From 1830 to 1885, another wave of persecutions decimated the Catholic population, during the height of which the chapel in honor of Our Lady of Lavang was destroyed. In 1886, construction of a new chapel began. Following its completion, Bishop Gasper consecrated the chapel in honor of Our Lady Help of Christians in 1901. On December 8, 1954, the statue of Our Lady of Lavang was brought from Triband back to the Holy Shrine. The Vietnamese Bishops' Conference chose the Church of Our Lady of Lavang as the national shrine in honor of the Immaculate Conception. Lavang became the National Marian Center of Vietnam on April 13, 1961. Pope John XXIII elevated the Church of Our Lady of Lavang to the rank of a minor basilica on August 22, 1961. Though there is no official Vatican recognition of this event as a Marian apparition, on June 19, 1998, Pope John Paul II publicly recognized the importance of Our Lady of Lavang and expressed the desire to rebuild the Lavang Basilica in commemoration of the 200th anniversary of the First Vision. Since we all are traveling to Heavenly Shore, let us keep our eye on Heavenly Mother as we sail in this lifeboat and take great weapon of rosary in our trials and tribulations, that our Mother Mary help us to reach the shore of heaven safe and secure.